Let's be honest, Christmas isn't cheap. The food, the gift, the decoration that somehow cost more than your entire salary. And don't even get me started with dating December. But here's the twist. While most people are spending, smart people are earning. And this Christmas, you're not about to just sit down there and watch your wallet bleed. You're about to learn 5 free ways you can use AI to make money for yourself this season. Even if you don't have a degree, a fancy laptop, or a boss breathing down your neck. Hello, this is Money Time with Ree, and I am Big Ree, and today I'll be showing you 5 free ways you can use AI to make money for yourself this season. And if you're not so busy, stick around and stay to the end of the video because I'll be giving you all the details you'll be needing to get started. Now let's dive straight into the video. Let's start with one of the fastest, the AI design. Right now, businesses, churches, influencers, brands, literally everyone needs holiday visuals, posters, thumbnails, Christmas banners, and even social media posts. You can use Canva Magic Studio, Kitel AI, or Leonardo AI to create designs in minutes. Example prompt: create a luxury Christmas sale banner with red and gold theme, featuring 50% off text and a holiday background. You will get premium looking graphics without touching Photoshop. Then offer these services on Instagram, Fiverr or Etsy. Or you can go the product route. Sell printable Christmas cards, digital wallpapers or party invites. Bonus tip: make 10 templates once, sell them over and over again. You're not working harder, you're just smarter. The second way you can use AI to make money for yourself this season is the AI copywriting. That is writing holiday ads and captions. You can use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write holiday marketing content. Think Christmas sale captions for brands, email campaigns for online stores, gift guides, blog posts, product description with festive hooks. Small businesses don't have time to write catchy Christmas copies, and that's where you come in. Example service: I'll write your Christmas ad captions and campaign in less than 24 hours using AI. You can charge between $30 to $100 per set. And since AI does the heavy lifting, you just have to edit, just polish and deliver. It's that simple. Never forget, mix ChatGPT creativity with your own wit. Don't sound robotic, sound profitable. You have to edit. Whenever you generate content with ChatGPT, edit and polish. Don't sound robotic. Nobody is going to pay you for robotic content. The third way you can make money using AI this Christmas period is AI video and content creation. Let's talk content. Because right now, everyone wants short Christmas content ranging from Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikToks. Use AI video tools like Pictree, Runway, or vid.io. Use these tools to create videos from text or images. Example: top 5 Christmas gift ideas for 2025, or how to make money this Christmas using AI. AI will generate the clip, the music, and even the voiceover. You just edit the flow. It's that simple. And you post. Then you monetize it. Sell those videos to small businesses who need ads, especially those ones that cannot pay influencers to influence for them, or cannot pay people to come shoot ads for them. This is the easier route. Or you can post them on your own page and make money from affiliate links, ad revenue, or brand collaborations. Smart move. Build 5 short videos, add your affiliate links for Christmas deals, and let the content make passive income while you sleep or have your dating set. The fourth way you can make money this Christmas period using AI tool is AI voice and personalization services. Use AI voice tools like 11 Lab or Play.hc to create personalized voice messages. People are paying for stuff like Santa voice greetings for kids, corporate Santa voiceovers for corporate parties, funny Christmas voicemail audios. Example gig: get a personalized Santa voice greetings with your child's name in less than 24 hours. You can create 20 of these in just one sitting using AI voice tools. And you can charge between $10 to $30 each. Bonus tip: you can offer romantic Christmas voice notes. Our couples, you can offer romantic Christmas voice notes. Believe me, people will pay for this. The last tip I'll be sharing in this video is AI freelance services bundle. This is a power move. Combine everything into a Christmas AI service bundle. Offer something like, I will create your Christmas art design, write the caption, and make a short video, all powered by AI. You're not selling skills anymore, you're selling results. Use tools like ChatGPT for writing the copy, Leonardo or Canva AI for visuals, and Pictory or Runway for videos. Bundle it together for $100 to $300 per client, deliver in 48 hours. Boom! Holiday side income locked in. Clock it. Pro tip: target e-commerce and Christmas event planners. They will pay fast because their deadlines are very tight. So while everyone is spending their Christmas eating, sleeping, and complaining about money, you'll be cashing out with your laptop, your AI tools, with your Christmas swagger. Because this season isn't just about gifts, it's about skills that pay gifts forward. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Ree. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous. And don't forget to share my video. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Money Time with Ree, where we tell all the money secrets. See you next time.